Comes to here, today's class we are going to see, once again I will record the corrosion first, later we'll go for the last concept in this chapter, that is rancidity. So as we know that what is the meaning of corrosion? It will expose any kind of metals, understand? Uh, the process of corrosion is the process in which metals are slowly spoiling the sense of eaten up gradually by the action of air. Means because of air and moisture or any kind of chemicals like acids on the surface, they will slowly lose their strength, understand, and they will spoil completely, eaten up slowly. So that is only called as corrosion. So this corrosion is caused mainly by the only one thing, that is only called as oxidation. Understand? Oxidation of metals. So that is the reason why this corrosion is taking place. So when you will expose to the atmosphere freely, because of the oxidation of these metals by the oxygen in air, understand, by the oxygen which is present in air, oxygen in air, this corrosion will be taking place. So if we take the most common metal which is corroded every time is iron. So this rusty iron is the most common form of corrosion. Understand? So when iron object is left in damp air, means air which contains the enough sufficient amount of moisture and oxygen, everything, damp air for a considerable amount of time, means like for a particular period of time, then it will be covered with a red brown flaky substances called as rust. Understand? Flaky substances is called as rust, which we have studied. So now, if you'll observe, that process is only called as this particular iron, the spoiling of iron, the corrosion of iron is only called as rusting of iron. What is it called? Rusting of iron. This is all I have taught you already. Now, if you see that, if you write the equation for this, we used to get the chemical equation. Fe plus O2 will gives you H2O, 2x H2O, and here we used to come what? 3O2 and 4Fe, which gives you, understand? Fe2O3 dot X H2. So X indicate what? X indicate number of
water
molecules. So
number of water molecules.
Hydrated iron 3 oxide. Remember, it is only called as hydrated iron 3 oxide. Iron 3 oxide. So this is called as what? A red brown substance. So that this is called as what? Rust. What is it called? Rust. So this is the chemical equation which we have studied. So now here, this X indicates what always? The number of water molecules in the rust varies from, understanding, one place to another place depend upon the moisture, so that it is not fixed. That is why I have kept here X. X indicate what? X indicate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, depend upon the moisture. So here if you observe this reaction, the rusting of iron is taking place. Understand? So this reaction is a redox reaction. What we used to call a rusting of reaction is called as redox reaction. Means in the sense of what? Both oxidation and reduction.
Both reduction and
Here itself. So that is why
oxidation.
it is called as redox reaction. But you remember here, this rusting involves unwanted oxidation of iron metal, which occurs in nature on its own. This is not which we are doing intentionally. It is automatically will occur. You may see that railway bridges or your grills in front of your home, you have gate, iron gates and all. So slowly it will be corroded without our involvement. Without we are not doing anything, because of rain or something, they will be going to corrode. They will be going to corrode. Is it correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is the reason everything is going to corroded. So that only Understanding? Automatically, this is not occurs because of us. It is occurs in nature. It is occurs in nature on its own. Understanding? On its own, it is occurs. So that is only, this is called as, understanding, a natural corrosion we can say. Everything is occurs because of nature corrosion, which is not we are doing. So that is why, if you'll observe here about this rust, this rusting of iron, the rust, if you'll observe, it is a very, very soft and porous substance which gradually falls off from the surface of iron object. You may see that slowly your iron grills and all which is present in front of your home, the gate and all, slowly that iron will get like a flaky substances, and at certain situation if you hit with any kind of hammer and all, it will get the hole. Is it yes or no? Or else even without hitting also, we used to see that after a few years, we can see that it will start forming the small, small holes. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you. That.
Yes, sir.
So that is only called as rusting of iron. So that is why this rust, we can say that what is the rust means. This rust is a very, very soft and porous substance. This is a soft and porous substance. What is the meaning of porous? What is the meaning of porous? What is the meaning of porous?
Hello.
Having holes. Understand? Means a porous means having holes, like a tissue. Tissue, do you know tissue? Tissue is having holes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like cloth. Cloth also, if you'll observe, cloth is also having holes, correct? So that is why they are called as porous medium, like a filter. Understanding, like a filter. So if that is why this iron is also called, this rust is also a soft in nature, and as well as it contains pores which falls off from the surface of iron object, then the iron below starts rusting. Understanding? The iron which is present below on the surface will start rusting. Slowly will eat, completely it will spoil. So and then what is going to happen? This rusting of iron, what is only called as rusting of iron, another name is called as what? Corrosion of iron. Don't get confused. Corrosion is the common name for every metal. And particularly for iron, we used to call it as rusting of iron. So that is why we can call that this rusting of iron or corrosion of iron is a continuous process which it is not prevented in time. Understanding? Unless until we can take a few precautions, we cannot predict this corrosion. It is continuous process and eats up the whole iron object slowly. If you are not taking care, if you left it for a years, definitely full iron will be eaten up and it will be completely damaged. So that is only called as corrosion or rusting of iron. So it is taking place. This corrosion is a very dangerous thing regarding metals, because metals will lose its strength. Why it is dangerous? That is the question they will ask. How the corrosion, you are saying that it is not good for us. Why the corrosion is not good? Because why? Why the corrosion is not good, not safe? Corrosion is not effective, useful for us. Why?
Because
Sir,
rusting
Because
made that iron.
not only iron, all kind of metals, the like copper, magnesium, iron and all. If you'll expose them, if without any safety precautions, then what will happen? The weakness, understanding, the corrosion weakness, the iron or steel objects, anything, and the structures like see, we are using iron and steel in a understanding railings, car bodies, bridges, and ship, etc., etc. You can see old ambassador car and all. Even though if there's somewhere that where the white paint has been gone, there it is started corroded. Is it yes or no? Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is. So what will happen if this corrosion is taking place? Then this corrosion will make that
The metals.
kind of, yes, metals weakness. They will weakness in the sense of they will make it weak, and their lifespan will decreases. The actual lifespan of metal will be decreases because of this corrosion. I am getting corona only. Corrosion. That's all. So that is the life. Understanding? They will cut their short life, they will make their life very short period. Actually, their strength is very strong, and they used to we can use for so many years. But because of this corrosion, it will be damage them, and we have to prevent the corrosion of iron and steel objects and replace the damaged iron and steel structures every time. Suppose you have constructed the bridges and everywhere. If it is corroded, means it is very dangerous to travel on it, and it is not good for us. That is why we should every time need to change. Understanding? A lot of money has been spent every year to prevent this corrosion of iron and steel objects, and to replace this damaged iron and steel structures, everything. So, but how we can replace, how we can prevent this all will study in the chapter 3, understanding metals and the methods of prevention in detail in the chapter 3, metals and non-metals chapter. We are having a preventive methods of corrosion. Already we have studied in class 8, the same thing with a little bit more in details. We used to study in chapter 3. So now it is not required. Now only you write the statement. What that question, what I said. What exactly happens in corrosion? That what will happen, Ra? Corrosion, what will happen? What exactly happens
The
in corrosion?
metal will get
Sir, metal
weak,
will get weak, sir. Weakened, sir.
lifespan of the metal will get
Like bridges and all.
Understand?
lifespan of
Not their life.
metal will get
Right. Corrosion weakens WEAKNS. Corrosion weakens. Corrosion weakens corrosion weakens 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 the iron and steel objects iron and steel objects weakens iron and steel objects and structures such as railings car bodies bridges and ships, etc. Ships, etc. Ships, ship, SHIPS, ships, etc. And cuts short their life. Cuts short their life. Cuts short their life. You understanding or not? So that is only called as
corrosion.
corrosion. That's all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now this is all about the corrosion. So preventive methods and all we'll study in the chapter number 3. Now let us go for the last concept in this. That is only called as what, Ra? Rancidity. What we used to call?
Rancidity of food.
Rancidity. Very, very important. Understanding. Ra? So rancidity. Most definitely one question will come from this. One very simple concept, but question will come usually from this one. So if it comes to here, this is also the oxidation process. See, before corrosion, it is the oxidation process of metals. But if it comes to here, what is this rancidity? It is oxidation of what? Oxidation
Food.
of
Non-metals.
non-metals. What are you talking? Corrosion of non-metals. See that starting I have taught already.
Rancidity of food, sir.
Food items. That metals means this is not non-metals. Non-metals won't get corroded because most of the non-metals are gaseous state. Understand, Amma? Yes or no? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Peak.
Yes, sir.
Rancidity is the understanding. Oxidation, which is also the damaging effect on food. Understanding. What kind of food? A food which containing fats and oils. Remember, it is the damaging effect on a food which containing. Understanding. Foods which containing what? Which containing only fats and oils. Remember, fats and oils. So that is only called as, understand, rancidity. Don't say opposite to the metals, non-metals. Understand, Amma? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
sir.
be smart, yeah. What is this? Now, if you'll observe here, sir, how it will take place. Let us see. Very, very easy process, but very important process. So as we know that your mother used to prepare banana chips or something, some chips, potato chips or something in the house only. Is it yes or no? Potato chips
Yes,
most
sir.
probably we
Yes,
used to
sir.
buy. Correct or not? If you'll go outside also, if you'll go Janapriya, somewhere Priya, somewhere you'll go. Definitely we used to buy some kind of chips, like which is maybe potato chips or some kind of other kind of chips or banana chips or something you'll purchase. Yes or no? Everybody used to purchase.
Yes,
Correct?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So that you may
Yes,
notice
sir.
it. If you'll purchase lace, bingo lace or something, if you'll open it, lace are very, very in small quantity, but if you'll open, we generally wish to
Yes, sir.
discuss. Yes.
ಯಾರು will give more, sir? ಯಾರು will give more, sir?
A lot of air is present inside. Only quantity is less, but air is more. We people will discuss few times. Is it correct or not? Casually. If you
Yes.
casually, if you
Yes, sir.
take most of the kind of thing like moong dal or any kind of packed food, you can observe that like lace, chips, understanding, halke falke, or whatever it is, whatever you're purchasing, understanding, kurukure, something. Everything they contains air. Lot of air is present inside. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
Sir.
Have you noticed
sir.
it? Is it they
Yes,
are
sir.
Yes, sir.
why they are feeling the air? Why can't they feel fully snacks? Why they are doing that? Why can't they, why they are feeling the air? Is there any reason behind that? Air means it's not air ray. Air means again air contains what? Oxygen. Air contains oxygen or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
oxygen
sir.
will be- so oxidation reaction will take place. That is why they will fill a particular gas to prevent that oxidation. That is only I will say. Just listen. So if it comes to there, every kind of the food items, the food materials prepared in fats and oils, like in the sense of every all the chip, this all the kind of fries and all, we will prepare with what with either fat in the sense of we'll keep what are the creams and all we are keeping, correct? That what is that? Oil, not only oil, we are using fats and all, like a ghee we can use, ghee dosa, something next, something butter dosa, butter and all we are using, correct or not, while cooking. So this all contains what? Or else we'll use oil. So this we are food material which we are preparing in fats and oils, understand? With the help of fats, like a boiled in fats and oils are kept for long period of time. If you'll expose to the atmosphere long time, they start giving unpleasant smell and taste. You may notice it. Understand? They will start giving unpleasant, understand, unpleasant smell, and taste also will change. Unpleasant smell and taste also will change. Next time, expose the potato chips in plate, and you see that slowly some brownish color is start forming on the chips where the oil is stored. Like turning, it will be not plain, correct. Somewhere it will be turns and all. There oil will be stored, something deposited. So there you will see that slowly they will turns into brownish color, and the taste of the chips also will be start changing continuous. So here if you will observe, why it is happening means because we are preparing these food items with the help of fats and oils. So this fat and oil containing food materials which will give unpleasant smell and taste, understand, which are going to give this unpleasant smell and taste are said to have become rancid. So what is the meaning of rancid now? You may understand. We can say that the food items which are prepared with the fats and oils We can call them
Oils
exposed to the atmosphere
Unpleasant.
for a certain
un-
period of time.
exposed to the atmosphere and form unpleasant smell
What will
and
happen?
taste.
The taste will changes, means they are spoiled. Is it correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
Yes,
this
sir.
rancid meaning, understanding, sour taste. They will become like sour, or also we can call it as stale. The taste is stale or sour taste. So that is only called as rancidity. What we used to call rancidity. So now, why it is
Rancidity.
happening? That is the question. Why the rancid is taking place? Suppose, let us take, when the fats and oils present in food materials get oxidized by the oxygen. What is the oxygen? Where the oxygen is present? If we'll expose, suppose, potato chips to the atmosphere, they will start getting oxidized, understanding, by the oxygen. Oxygen, which is from where? Which is from where?
atmosphere.
From air.
Atmosphere.
Understanding.
Atmosphere.
They are oxidation products only. Because of oxidation means reaction between this oxygen and fats and oils. The oils which we are using, the fats which we are using to prepare this food, they will start reacting with oxygen, and their oxidation products which are producing because of this oxidation. Understanding? They have unpleasant smell and taste. So, due to this, the smell and taste of food materials containing fats and oils change and becomes very unpleasant. Very unpleasant. Unable to consume it. Unable to consume it. So, this condition, the condition which is produced by aerial oxidation, I told you that because of air it is happening. So, that oxidation also called as what oxidation?
Aerial oxidation.
Aerial
Last class I
oxidation.
have taught you. Oxidation also
Aerial oxidation.
Oxidation, sir.
last
Aerial
Aerial
oxidation.
oxidation.
aerial oxidation. Do you remember this word? I have taught you.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Aerial oxidation is
Yes.
caused by oxidation.
So here you see why sir it is happening means these fats and oils contains acid. Have you noticed it? They contains acids. Small amount of acids they contains. So reaction between acid. See, suppose if we'll take food preparing, we are using vinegar, we are using a fat. They all contain some kind of a natural acids. These natural acids will start reacting with, understanding, oxygen, and they will produce some new products which is having an unpleasant smell, and they will change the taste of the food material. So that process is only called as what we used to call rancidity. What we used to call
Ran-
rancidity. So because of this
Rancidity.
what will happen? What will happen because of this rancidity? It will spoils the food. It will spoils the food material.
Spoil the food.
Yeah, food material which is prepared with what? Prepared with fats and oil.
fat and oil.
Oils and fat.
And
Oil.
without any kind of protection, if we'll keep it considerable time and make them unfit for eating. Understand? If you are not storing in a jars, if you are keeping exposing to the atmosphere freely, then we are making this food, understanding, which is prepared with fats and oils, is unfit for eating. Unfit for eating. So that is only called as rancidity. What we used to call rancidity. So remember that unpleasant smell which is coming out from this understanding a very unpleasant, that is only called as obnoxious. That is the word which you should remember. Understand? That is a vocabulary. Obnoxious. O-B-N-O.
XIO.
Obnoxious means in the sense of unpleasant. You have to remember it because unpleasant is a common word which you people used to use in so many places in English. English also will use unpleasant climate or unpleasant conditions like that will use. Correct or not? So that is only called as obnoxious state, which is understanding not good to consume that food, that because of unpleasant state. You understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Name I am saying because you should know that obnoxious means in the sense of unpleasant. Become very unpleasant is only called as obnoxious. So
Obnoxious.
yes, this is only called as rancidity. So the characteristics of this rancid food. What is the meaning of rancid food? Rancid means which is understanding a sour food. Because of the rancidity, the food will turn into sour or stale taste. So this rancid food, understanding, or that gives out a unpleasant smell and also unpleasant taste. Unpleasant smell and unpleasant. What will happen?
Taste.
Unpleasant smell as well as unpleasant taste. So that process is called as rancidity. So this rancidity in Hindi, this is the most important. In Hindi, we can call it as Vikrita Gandhita. What we used to call? Vikrita Gandhita. This you can want, you can remember. If not, you can. So rancidity in Hindi is known as Vikrita Gandhita. Vikrita Grandhita. Spelling, if you want, you can note it down. Understanding? Vikrita. Vikrita. Understanding? Ga. Gandhita. Gandhita. Vikrita Gandhita. You understand, Amma? In Hindi, we can call this rancidity is known as Vikrita Grandhita. Okay, Amma? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you'll observe here, rancidity is not coming in metals and non-metal, so that we should know how we can prevent this rancidity. So that is why they are filling with some gas, which we are talking generally, understanding how we can, why this much air is present inside this chips packet and all, because of to prevent this rancidity only. That is, we will study that how we can prevent. One of the process is filling with some particular gas name called as nitrogen gas. Why? That is also I will say. So then now write the definition of rancidity. Yeah, I will say that. You don't worry. First, you write now rancidity. How many of you understand rancidity? You are clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, right, rancidity. Oxidation also has damaging effect on food containing fats and oils. Damaging effect on food containing fats and oils. Full stop. The condition produced by aerial oxidation of fats and oil in foods marked by unpleasant, understanding, aerial oxidation of fats and oils in foods marked by unpleasant smell and taste is called rancidity. So unpleasant also is to called as what? Obnoxious. What is to call?
Obnoxious.
Obnoxious. Understand that you remember. So because of rancidity, what will happen? Anybody? Because of rancidity, the food containing fats and oils, what will happen? Two things will happen. What will happen?
The food gets spoils.
Spoils.
Say the two things will happen to the food. One is
Unpleasant smell and taste. Unpleasant smell and taste.
Unpleasant smell and
unpleasant smell and unpleasant taste. That's all. Understand, Ra? Nitesh,
Yes, sir.
Shine, so many is not even responding. Arya, Jesse, so many, you are all. Pranita, you can communicate, not an issue. That is now. So in Hindi, what we used to call rancidity is called Vikrita Gandhita.
Gandhita.
Now,
Vikrita.
let's see. You want, you can
I have a doubt.
Ask me.
Sir, oxidation means either addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, no, sir.
Yes.
In rancidity, addition of oxygen only takes place, no, sir.
Yes. Because of oxygen only.
Okay. Okay.
Understand?
Thank you.
Huh? That is why this is called as aerial oxidation. You understand? Because of air, the oxygen which is present in air, it is taking place. Understand, Ashika? That name what we should
Yes,
call, I
sir.
said. The oxidation taking place because of air. That name is called as a aerial oxidation.
Aerial oxidation.
Because of that is only we are calling as because of aerial oxidation. No removal of hydrogen here. Okay. Now, if you'll understand this,
Okay, sir.
you are all understanding this, then if you'll understand this, then we can see the development of rancidity of food can be prevented or retarded, understanding, slow down by using a following methods. So let us see what is that methods. Remember, I will use a chemical related words, means a more kind of scientific words I will use. So as I will expect from my children's side also, as we are in 21st century, understanding, our skills should be developed with our language. Understand? So whenever I am saying a words called some kind of a vocabularies, you people should need to learn. Suppose now I can say here, see, I am using a word called as now, prevented. Prevented means everybody is known. The common thing is no, the common word which we can slow down. Slow means slow down any kind of reaction, that is called as prevented. Or else we can call it as, see, prevented means completely. Suppose I will prevent the corona. What is the meaning of it? I will stop the corona to should not get affected by the people. Like that, we are having here always any kind of thing, controlling one and prevention one. Two methods for every kind of process. Suppose corona also now, we are unable to prevent it, so that we are trying to slow down the process by breaking the chains. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You should not allow the people to meet, gathering, public parties and all by making the understanding chain, by breaking the chain. They are trying to slow down the spreading of corona. Like that, or else we need to prevent it completely. Anyhow, now prevention is not possible, so that only they are going for slow down the spreading of virus. The same way, if it comes to here, rancidity also the same thing. Rancidity can be prevented, understanding, by you are prevented or by retarded in the following ways. So the here retarded, what is the meaning of retarded? I'm saying I'm using a word called as retarded.
Slow down.
What is the meaning of
Slow
that?
down.
Slowly decreasing.
Slow down.
Slowed down.
Retardation.
Understanding, slowed down. That is, you should remember. Prevented means completely stop. So let us see, either you can stop it by using some methods, or else by using some methods we can slow down the process of rancidity. Understand? So let us come to the first method. Rancidity can be prevented by, don't write, I will say, you listen. So rancidity can be prevented by adding antioxidants. What is the meaning of antioxidants? By name itself you have it. Understand? By using antioxidants. Rancidity can be prevented by using antioxidants food containing. Understand? The foods which contain
Hydrogen,
Not
sir.
allow
Hydrogen.
oxygen.
Hydrogen. Hydrogen.
Array, stupid. I am asking only meaning. I don't want anything. You see, don't behave foolishly. I am asking what is antioxidants. If you say anything, I am anti, I am against you, I am anti, I am opposite to you, means in the sense of what?
Sir, opposite to oxidation, sir.
Suppose if you say oxidation, means oxidation means what?
Protects them from oxygen.
Opposite to oxidation.
Antioxidants means what? Which does not allow the oxidation. That's all. Is it yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no? That's all, man.
Yes.
Don't, I am not asking gas. I said nitrogen so that you are using nitrogen. Nitrogen is the second prevention method. How you are saying antioxidant? Nitrogen is not an accident, antioxidant. Understand, Ra?
Sir,
Okay.
hydrogen is itself.
So suppose if we take, understand, rancidity can be prevented by adding antioxidants to food which containing what, Amma? A food containing what kind of substances? Fats and oils. Understand?
Fats and
Yeah. What does it mean? What is the meaning of antioxidants? So antioxidant is a substance. It is a chemical substance. It is a chemical substance. Understand? Which prevents oxidation. Which prevents what?
Oxidation.
Oxidation means which does not allow the oxygen to takes place the oxidation reaction. Are you able to understanding?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So who does not allow the oxidation? You may remember the words called as oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, reducing agent. So you may by this time your brain may light up. Reducing agents. What is the use of that? What is the use of that?
Hydrogen.
They are the reduction reaction. Correct or not?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
for oxidation or reduction?
Removal of
Reducing
oxygen.
agent. Reducing agent.
Removal
So what? Reduction means, sir.
Reduction. So antioxidants are actually
Removal of
reducing
oxygen,
agent.
sir.
Understand?
The parts of all
Antioxidants
this reduce.
are all reducing agent. If you take any kind of reducing agent, they are the antioxidants. We can call antioxidants means reducing agents. Suppose oxidants. What is the meaning of oxidants? Oxidizing agents. Understand? Antioxidants means reducing agents.
Oxidizing agents.
Yes. When
Removal of
these antioxidants, remember what will happen when these antioxidants are added to food, then the fats and oils present in them do not get oxidized easily. Do not get, understand? They do not get oxidized easily. Oxidized easily. If you add this kind of reducing agents to the food substances which contains fat and oils, they do not get oxidized easily. So if they are not getting oxidized easily, what will happen? And hence there is not understanding. Hence, they do not turn into rancid. They do not turn into
rancid.
rancid. So if the rancid, so that what will happen? So the food remains good to eat for much longer time. Is it yes or no?
The process gets slowed down.
Yeah, much longer time we can eat. Sir, much longer time. Why can't, sir? Why can't we use full life or else after 10 years also? Is it possible to eat the potato chips and all after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No. Even though the rancid is not taking place, they will be spoiled slowly. Correct or not? They will become. You see, one night if we'll expose the chips, this kind of potato chips and all to the atmosphere, by morning they will become like a paper. Is it yes or no? Particularly papadam. Papadam, appadam. Do you know it or not? Appadam, you see, half an hour if we'll
Yes,
expose,
sir.
they will
Puppets,
become
sir.
like paper. Correct or not? Appadam, papadam. What is it called? Papadama, appadama. Telugu appadam.
Appal.
Appalam.
Appalam.
Appalam. Appalam. So this appalam and all you see, that is also fat containing substance only. Correct or not? Prepared with oil.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is. So we cannot eat the appadam which is prepared now. We cannot eat by after 10 years, 20 years. Correct? So that is why. But we can increase the eating time. Understanding much longer time we can preserve this food by adding antioxidants. Means reducing substances to that because they will prevent the